Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Super excited. Super excited to be here. Super excited to be here. Good morning. So, you know how we do it. Let me see some excitement in the chat box. Show that excitement in the comment section. Show that excitement in the comment section. Let's see that excitement. Let's see that excitement. Awesome, 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 awesome. We do this every Monday. We do this every Monday. You never get tired of it. We do this every Monday. We never get tired of it. I'm happy to be here. What are you grateful for? I am grateful for life. I'm grateful for life. What are you grateful for? Yeah, Money Week. Money Week. Awesome. 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 Let me let you see it clearly. It's Lagos Money Week. Please, you see water somewhere around. Okay, thank you. It's Lagos Money Week. If we don't do this, Sakpa, see, Sakpa will make mess of us. If we don't do this, Sakpa will make mess of us. Awesome. I'm grateful for life and Forex. Power, 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 power. I am in Lagos, Nigeria. I want to know where you are in. Where you at? I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. Where you at? I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. Where you at? You know, we do this every day. We do this every single Monday. We don't get tired of it. We don't get tired of it. We keep grinding. We keep grinding. We keep grinding. The hustle is real. We do this every single Monday. We don't get tired of it. You're in Ekiti, Nigeria. Power, 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 power. Ife from Rabat. Power. Oluwaseyi Fumi Ibiyinka. We have Franz Ziberna from Italy. Power. Power. Good morning, Sulaimon Peter. Ondo, Nigeria. That's Senator Bamidele. Power. 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 So we're gonna go right into the charts. But I learned a few things over the weekend, which I'd like to share with you. I learned a few things. over the weekend. Nice meeting you physically yesterday. Power, power. I told you whenever you see me, please approach me. Anyway you see me, approach me. Anyway you see me, approach me. Let's talk. Funny enough, it's easier for me to give you my number when we meet physically than online because online, like everybody's asking for my number. You understand? Okay, we don't have so much time. Let's just go into what I learned over the weekend, and then I'll share with you what I'm looking out for the week, and then we'll call it a day. Um, yeah, my Abuja people. This weekend we're gonna do something in Abuja. Okay, so if you're in Abuja, let me see in the chat box. If you're in Abuja, let me see in the chat box. Okay, my Abuja people, I'm coming on. So this weekend or okay, you know what? Let's do it on Monday. I think Monday will be better. So Monday after live classes, the live class that we're gonna have it physically on Monday. That is the live stream that we usually do. The live stream we usually do, we'll do it physically on Monday, so that Abuja people will be here. While I will be in the studio, we'll just look for a very good studio in Abuja. Then we'll do it physically. Right after the physical one, we'll now do whatever we want to do together as a people. Then we'll call it a day. I hope that's fine. If you're excited about that, I want you to actually show that you're excited. If you are, if you're not, I mean, you don't need to form it or fake it. If you are excited, I want you to show it. Show your excitement. I'm particularly excited about what God is doing in the forex industry. Trust me, I'm very excited about what God is doing in the forex industry. God is really intentional about us in the forex industry, and I'm excited. I'm very excited. Trust me. Okay. Um, so I learned two things over the weekend. Number one is, well, I've known it since, but it just like it made more sense. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. I've known it since, but it made more sense. Okay, it made more sense because I reflected. I reflected at my growth process, and I learned that um, you should actually be open to learning, irrespective that you are open. Like irrespective of the fact that you're open to learning or that you already know a strategy that works, you should be open to learning from other people. If you have, even if you have a strategy that already works, you should be open to learning from other people because truth is, the forex market is dynamic. Hmm? And if you learn that this person added this particular conference to his or her conferences while trading, it might help you. It might just help you. It might just help you. Okay. It might just help you to put your own trading strategy into perspective. Um, so I learned that okay, this particular lady adds this particular thing to our conferences while she's trading, and I went to do a little bit of should I say back test? I'll not really say back test because I didn't spend much time. I just looked at how he reacted in the last few times, using that as a confluence, and yeah, it really worked. So I'm going to add that. Usually, I don't want to have any indicator on my charts. I think I'll go and put that one indicator. Hmm. I never use indicator on my charts. Those of you that know me, you know me. I never use indicator on my charts. Those of you that know me, you know me. I never use indicator on my charts. Hmm. But I think I'm going to go and add that particular indicator. And I'll tell you what the indicator does. Hmm? It's like a conference in the sense that when you're trading, when, for example, you have a buy sentiment, and then the indicator is showing you keep buying, or the indicator, oh yeah, you have a buy sentiment. Okay, at this point, I expect price to buy, and then the indicator now brings up that green arrow. Hmm? At the close of the candle, it's telling you that yes, there's a bullish pressure coming in. So it's sort of like a confirmation. I don't use indicators. I don't like using indicators, but I'm really going to add that to my conferences. Okay. And then I'll show it here so you guys can see it. I was not paid to do this, so don't think I'm trying to advertise anybody's indicator. I just felt like it was a very nice addition, but it's going to be a really nice addition to your trading conferences. Okay. I mean, and it's not going to make your chart clustered. That's another thing. It's not going to make your chart clustered. It's a very simple stuff. It's not going to make your chart clustered. Um, yeah. Hmm. So what's the name of the indicator? You see, my chart is always clean. I don't have any indicator. All these indicators were what I used in 2021 when I was like still that indicator guy. Since 2021, I didn't use any indicator. But this one I'm adding now. I don't plan on using it for so long. I want to use it till I understand why it does what it does. Then I'll stop using it. Do you understand? Because it's an indicator, meaning the algorithm is picking something that's making it act that way. So if I can understand what the algorithm is picking, I'll take it off. That's just what I want to do. Okay. I know the skill set of trading, but I think that's a really good conference to add. If you would ask me, though. Mm, now I need to confirm which of them. So once I confirm which of them, I've said okay. So I should get a response right now so we can add it live. But then what it does, I'll explain what it does. But I hope you got the message. All right, that's the first thing I learned. Because usually me, I'm like, I don't want no indicator on my chart. Leave me with price action. Leave me with it's really good. But then that indicator, sometimes, especially when you're on the lower time frame, uh, you might forget to check. Like if you've been trading your 15 minutes for like 3, 4, 5 hours, you might have forgotten to go and check the higher time frame to know that okay, oh, yeah, it's changing. The pressure is changing. You might forget. So is this first time we're picking? I'll just favorite it. Okay. You might just forget. Trust me. And then guess what happens when you forget? When you forget to include the higher time frame confirmation. How will I put this now? Hmm? When you forget to include the higher time frame confirmation, you might just have traded to a reversal zone, but you won't know. You will keep buying. I know some of you don't understand because this like you're not really good in trading yet. But the way trading works is there is a reversal zone on a higher time frame. But if you're on the lower time frame and you forget to check the higher time frame, you might have just traded into the reversal and without knowing you just keep trading. Without knowing you just keep trading. Without knowing you just keep trading. So I think that's why it's important that you put this little confluence, and I'll help you set it so that it's not a distraction because this all this line to me is distracting. God forbid. So what I'll do is, first of all, this thing I'm gonna take it off. I don't want to see no Bollinger Bands. Um, I don't want to see no nothing. I just want it all clear. I don't need the Bollinger Bands. I don't need it. I know what to do already. So yeah, I don't need no Bollinger Bands. All I just need is that arrow. And I don't know where I'll put that setting though. Oh, so the thing is, if you have to use, oh my god, I see that. If you have to use, uh, if you have to use the indicator, you must use the Bollinger Bands. Let me ask somebody, how can I remove the Bollinger Bands alone? Bollinger Bands alone, yeah. So because I want to take it off completely. I don't like it. I don't want it. I don't want to see it. Okay, I've done that now. Powerful. I've removed it so we can go back to where we're coming from. Let's make it white. Since our chart is red and white, then this let's make it red. Awesome. Awesome. And the settings we have here is 500, 8, and 3. Close. Powerful. Here's I disclaimer. What does that do? Let's hide it now. Since we don't know what it does, just hide it. I'll click OK. So you see how simple this chart looks with just that little addition of that. But I think I want to use it all through, not just London session, no, like everywhere. Because I think there's this setting that they usually do to have only London session, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Well, I'll try to figure that out later, right? But this little conference, it just, for example, here we're waiting for price to come into this zone. Let's just take that as an instance, and then price did not come there. But upon the close of this white candle, this red stuff came out, which meant that price not coming up. The selling pressure is starting from here. Do you understand what I'm saying? It just meant that price is not coming up. It's just going down. And so that was a very good one. It was trust me, it was a really good one. Um, that's one thing I learned. I'm not that indicator guy, but I don't know. I think it's a nice addition to my chart. It doesn't make my chart look clustered. That's why I'm adding it. If not, I think it's making my chart look one kind. I'll remove it. What's going on, bro? I think it's making my chart look one kind. I'll remove it. So my chart is still looking very simple and sleek. It's only me that know that. Okay, yeah, it's that indicator that is helping me in like an additional confidence. So, for example, whenever you see price in this level with that arrow down, it's just telling you, okay, yeah, you can try it. You can try the sell. So my plan is over the couple of weeks, sorry, over like next 2 3 days, I want to just add this to my conferences and see how it works well. Yeah, it's a good one. It's a good one. So if you have questions about it, go ahead and ask me. If you have any question about this little conference I just added, I know you guys that know me, you'll be surprised that why is Coach David using indicator? He doesn't use indicator before. Yeah, Coach David doesn't use indicator before. Unfortunately, should I say fortunately, Coach David is using indicator right now. But he's not using indicators because I don't like my charts clustered. The aim of trading is to be right, to make money. The aim of trading is not to show who understand price action pass. No. It's not to show who understand market structure pass. No. Remember, you only pay attention to those lines when they are in structural zones, structural levels, structural points. Do you understand? Because there are some points in the chart where you really don't want to see them. You understand? Like it's not a structural zone. But if you're in a structural zone, yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead and take it. So me, I'm gonna just watch the charts. Watch out for those lines whenever they pop up. And then let's try to see how we can make do with them. Do you understand? That's the first thing. And second thing I learned is virtual classes are good, but there's some things that has to be explained physically. Yeah, hence why I'm going to Abuja this week. Hence why when I'm coming back, right, like immediately, almost immediately, I'm doing a physical boot camp, 3 day boot camp in Lagos, Forex boot camp to teach you guys. Yeah, I have that planned out, so don't worry. And I'm doing all of this because virtual is really good, but there's some things I have to meet with you physically to explain. And those that are not in Nigeria, no problem. No problem. I've had students that did pretty well. Jumoke Lawa, I met her physically for the first time 2 weeks ago. But she has been my student and cashing out massively since 2021. I taught her Forex. She didn't know anything about it. Now she knows almost everything about it. Do you understand? So it's a really good catch if you have a virtual teacher that is as committed as I am. You understand what I'm saying? Because my students, whenever they send questions, no matter how busy I am, I just try to, to reply. I mean, sometimes I'm busy. I'm like, I don't want to do this, but I still do it. I still do it. So it's chill, really chilled. That's the second thing I learned. Now let's go into the chat and look out for what the week, what we should see this week. What should we see this week? 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 Uh someone just sent me a private message. I want me to do a YouTube review of TenTrade live instant live accounts. So let me tell you how it works. I was one in that video, so I can tell you how it works. Okay. I'm the one that used the account, so I can tell you how it works. I'm the one that I've seen withdrawals, not one, not twice. I've withdrawn a lot. In fact, I still withdrew 2K, $2,000. I still withdrew 2K. Was it last week? So I'm the one that can tell you how it works. Okay. When you get live, instant funded with $300, you get $10,000 instant live account. And then if you make 10% profit in a day, usually your withdrawal is supposed to be after 5 minimum trading days. Do you understand? Like after 5 days, you can now withdraw. But if you make 10% profit in one day, you can withdraw that same day. So I withdrew that same day because I made about 18%. You can withdraw that same day. That's the first thing I want to let you know. Second thing is you have 9% overall drawdown. You don't have a daily drawdown. Other platforms tell you have 6% daily drawdown or 5% daily drawdown. So instant live accounts tell you 3 or 4% daily drawdown. I can't remember the platform now. Their own is 4% daily drawdown. We're giving you 9%, which means 9% of $10,000 instant live is $900. which means with $300, you're getting instant $900 leverage. Listen to me. If you leave this call, it's your business. But I want to explain something very, very important. You're getting instant. What did I say? You're getting instant $900 leverage. Instant $900 leverage. You're getting instant $900 leverage. You're getting instant $900 leverage. To me, that's a really big catch. Because when I pay 300, you give me 9% of 10,000, which is 900. So it's instant that I'm getting. And that's what I want you to understand. Um, is like you get an instant. Then now you have the opportunity to trade in news. Nobody will hold you for that. You have the opportunity to trade any asset of your choice. Nobody will hold you for that. You can hold your trades during weekends. All you'll be charged is the swap, normal swap. Every broker charges swap for holding trades over the weekend. Then beyond that, also you will also be charged. Sorry, not charged. You can also trade like literally anytime. To me, I'm honest with you guys. I don't know how to like hype something that is not real. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like, other people they will like want to try and hype something. I don't know how to do all those things. My own is it is true and it is true and let it be that it is true. Like it's true. Just enjoy that it is true. Enjoy it. It's true. Enjoy. To me, like is mind blowing. It means as a trader, you don't have an excuse to be broke again. 9% daily drawdown. I'm 9% overall drawdown on your $3,000 account. 10% will be 300. 9% will be like maybe 270. And you're buying it for $100. You're buying $3,000 accounts for $100, meaning you're getting an extra $170 instantly. So instead of funding your live account of 100, why not buy instant live account of 3,000 so that you get an additional $170 to trade with? An additional $170 to trade with. And now the reason it cannot crash because some people have been in my DM, not some, a lot of people have been in my DM. Coach, we all believe you, but this thing you're saying, it looks too good to be true. Blah 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 blah. Okay, this is what I told them. I said the reason it can't crash is we are a book broker. Now let me quickly distinguish between A book and B book brokers. B book brokers, you are trading their money and they are paying you from their pockets. They are not connecting you to the market. So whatever you buy and sell you do, if you make a profit, they'll pay you from their own reserve. If you make a loss, they'll take that money into their own pockets. And they know that many traders are, I'm sorry, I don't want to say dumb, but they're not professional traders. So what they do is they trade with your like they are most brokers are B book because they want you to trade with them, not the forex market. So what happens is if you make $100 million today now, they cannot pay you. That's what happened to Refrain. And they had to take him on a trip to Qatar to compensate because he made $3 million in a day and they could not pay him because they were B book brokers. But now we are A book brokers, meaning if you make $100 million in a day, we'll pay you because we are connecting with MetaQuote. MetaQuote is paying you from like Meta quote is where everybody's trading with. So Meta quote is paying you from the liquidity in the forex market. Do you understand? So people have been asking, are we A book? Are we B book? Can we sustain? Can we not sustain? Cut the crap. We are A book brokers, meaning if you like make $1 trillion, bro, as long as it's available in the forex market, we'll pay you. As long as that, see, for you to make it, it means it's available, safe. Forex market is $7.4 trillion in a day. If you make $7 trillion in a day, only you took all the money in the forex market. We will pay you. Yes, David Trump says so. We'll pay you because we are A book brokers and not B book brokers. That's how, if you check me well, I don't. Do you see me come advertise any all those other forex coaches online that have that's been doing advert video for other brokers? Have you ever seen me do such? No. Have you ever seen me come advertise? I'm not supposed to call names, but then have you seen me advertise any other thing? Oh shit! You've never seen me do that. That's because I'll never do that. I'll never do that. There's a lighthouse right now, but just wait. They'll bring the light shortly. There's a lighthouse right now, but just wait, okay? I don't want to go outside. Like if I go to the balcony, it's quite noisy there. And I think the aim is for you to see the screen, not my face. So let's focus on the screen. In fact, let me take my face off right now. Later, I'll put my face back. The reason you will get paid is because we are A book brokers and not B book brokers. Okay? So I think that has taken away the fear you had in your mind. Powerful. Now let's go into the charts. What is GBS telling us for this week? You know the way I start from? I start from the daily, but let's just do a review of last week. Last week analysis was so sweet because I was just expecting 2800 and price just. I mean, I did this analysis with you guys on Monday. That was 2 weeks ago. I remember very well. I did this analysis with you guys. 310 pips all the way up. And I'm sure some of you were still trying to sell. And I did this because price took my stop loss around this level. That's when I lost that money. So I had to just be careful with it. Funny enough, I was not even like I just swinged it all the way. I was not closing and buying again, closing. No, I just held it till 2800. Then we had a short sale here. But then let's focus on what price is telling us this week. Um, so what are the structural points that we expect price to come into? Because we already know that we have started selling. Jonathan, we have started selling. Though we have not confirmed the sale, but we have started selling. So what am I expecting price to do? I'll continue selling only if price does this. Come break below. Once you can do this, ignore this guy. Use the next place price is coming to. Once price can do that. This next structural zone price is coming to. Once we can successfully break above and break below this zone rather. Once we can break below this zone. If you don't break below this zone, then you might just have to wait for price. Yeah. Um But now let's assume price does not break below. What's the next thing that we expect price to do? Now let's zoom out. I just told you the whole projection, but then let's assume price does not break below. What are the next zones? To be really honest, this heavy buy to sell came to clear all the liquidity. That's why I still trust that we are selling. But if price wants to buy, honestly speaking, it has to be on a lower time frame and that's to be a very short buy. Because I'm not seeing a long buy. 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 I'm still seeing sales here. Funny enough, I'm seeing sales. I'm seeing sales. But today is Monday. I don't want to over risk it. I have my sell positions opened at 2800 and I'm holding it. I've been holding it throughout last week. I didn't close my sales till now. And I kept 30 lots on it. That one we entered. It does not close, does not stop, it does not hit me out though. 30 lots, I'm holding. I'm just holding it. Whatever happens, let it happen. I mean, my stop loss is in place. Whatever happens, let it happen. That one that we entered that day, I didn't close it till now. I didn't close it at all till now. So this is looking like a good sell position to trust me, but there's no confirmation, so I don't want to even risk it. But it's looking good. I don't see buys. If price will buy, it has to break above, break test, then possibly buy to this zone. This is the highest buy I'm seeing. But at the same time, not my papa game market, not my mama game market. So I have to be really careful, you know? Yeah. So this is what I'm saying. If price does this and comes up here, wait for a confirmation. I will notify you guys on whatever platform and we'll all sell price down. But I'm seeing sales. Okay, I'm not seeing buys right now. I'm not seeing buys. The coast is not clear for the buyers. So buyers, take cover. You're coming for your stop loss. Buyers, take cover. You're coming for your stop loss. Buyers, take cover. Buyers, take cover. Let me copy it and paste it on the WhatsApp, on every platform. Yeah, so buyers, I think I would advise you stop your buys. But then, I mean, it's your decision. If you don't want to stop it, I can't force you. I can't stop you. If you don't want to stop it, or if you don't want to end your buys, I can't stop you. Okay. Sorry for that brief interruption. I think they were trying to work on something. But usually the light takes like 30 seconds, 1 minute, and it's back on. Okay. Someone says we should analyze gold. I don't really trade gold though. Not I don't even trade gold. I don't even trade gold. But let's do it together because you said it. Let's do gold. So this is what I'm expecting on GU. Nothing more, no much decision. Yeah. And last week gave us many confirmation for sales. That's why I'm looking at heavy sale. Heavy, very, very heavy sale. I'm looking at very heavy sales. I'm looking at very heavy sales. That's because of the way last week closed. Look at the weekly closure now. Look at the weekly candle. See last week, bearish, bearish candle. So I'm interested further bears. Yeah, last week closed bearish. How is the month doing? The month is bullish. But well, let's see what happens this week though. Look at the daily candles. Look at you've been seeing bearish, 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 bearish. And whenever I see this in the market, I know that this is not a flag. This is not a bullish flag. No, this is an accumulation of orders. It's called accumulation. Price is trying to accumulate orders such that when it's making a move, it goes hastily into whichever direction we expect it to go. So if it's for a sell, hasty sells. If it's for a buy, hasty buys. So someone said we should do good. Let's do good. Let's do good. No, 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 no. Don't you people should not call me different things. So no, 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 no. Euro USD gold. No, no, no. I will not do that. Okay? I will not do that. So I'm picking one and I'm doing that one because someone said I should do gold. Euro USD is similar to GU. So just look at the analysis. Okay? Gold. How did last week close? Gold on the weekly. This was my analysis now. I told you guys that we are selling gold. Long-term sales. I don't. This was the last time I analyzed gold for my team, and I told them long-term sales. That time the price was not even here. It was, I think, on his way up. Yeah, I remember it was on his way up. This was many weeks ago. Like I think 2 months or 3 months, if I'm not mistaken. Long time ago. Because I don't do gold. And now what's the confirmation for that? It's triple top because we see a low, a high, a low, a high that failed to make a higher high. Now this one broke structure downward. Hence, this is just a pullback for a further sell. Very heavy sell. Do you understand what I said now? If you understand what I just explained, put 777 in the chat box. If you understand what Coach David just explained, do 777 in the chat box. Just type 777 in the chat box. You understand what I just explained? So while I'm waiting for your responses, let me just continue. Um, so now, what's good going to do now? On the weekly, let's draw structure. We have that structural high. We have this structural low. We also have I should say this zone too, because price was doing a lot of things around that zone. Price did quite a lot. Now you're asking why? Yeah, price came here, dropped down, came here, heavy drop, came here, rallied, broke, came here, heavy buy, broke. I mean, came here, faked out a little bit, heavy drop again. Price did a lot around that zone. And it is true in every industry. History repeats itself. History repeats itself. So on the weekly, these are my structural zones. Come down to my daily. I already know what price is going to do actually. Yeah, I already know what price is going to do. But let me first take you out. Let me take you with me through the journey. I already know what price is going to do. But let me take you through with the journey. On gold, right? If you look at the storyline very well, we have triple bottom on the daily, 2, 3, and a buy. Broke this structure, created a new low, broke these structures, created a new low, double bottom, broke this structure, created a new low, broke this structure, created a new low, broke this structure. Now failed to create a new higher low. Instead, made a lower low and the new high, which was a retest of this zone. Are you with me? A retest of this zone. After it broke it, retested this zone. Now we are going down. Where is price going to take a pause before it keeps moving up? That's the question that you guys are asking now. So that you can know what to do, when to do, why to do, how to do. Good and fine. I've got you. Okay? I know what's going to do. Take my word for it. Price is going to get here, rally up again into this zone, then come down. Take my word for it. If it doesn't do this, we have to break and retest before it falls down. Yeah, that's because on the daily, the only structural zones we are seeing are these levels. These are the structural zones we are seeing. Hence, why price will come into them. If you check it well, on the daily, we have not seen any white candle showing for a buy, which means price might still fall for a bit. Have you seen any white arrow here? This white arrow and this red arrow. You've not really seen them, have you? Simple. Very simple. Hmm. Let's break it down to the lower time frame. 4 hours. Or wait, let me first take a screenshot of that so I can send to you guys on Telegram. Those on WhatsApp, if you want to see it, come to Telegram. I can't keep touch on the WhatsApp because I don't trade good. Well, some of you trade it, so let me just keep it. So some of you are asking, how can we go on the Telegram? Ah, okay. So let me show you. To join our Telegram channel, it's scrolling on your screen right now. Scrolling on your screen right now. Okay. Now let's go down to the lower time frame. Do you understand what I'm doing? You don't understand.
I'm going through. I'm seeing what you're doing now.
No, are you sure you understand?
You are trying to figure out if it's going up or down. The goal.
I'll explain to you, don't worry. But you have to be with me here. You're pressing your phone.
Yeah.
So just look at me here. Okay? Now we have more perspective as to what good is going to do. I want to see if a trend line will connect any dots. I just want to see. I mean, it might not connect any dots and it might connect dots. First touch, second touch, third touch. Okay. First, second, and third. Now you have a break which is faking out, trying to retest, but it has retested multiple times, but it has not really done anything. I know what it to do, I just don't know when it to do it. So let's figure that out. Let's figure that out. We have a psychological level here. Price will come here. No matter what you want to tell me, price will come here. There's nothing you want to say. Price will come here. That's a strong psychological level. 1,900. So how can we follow price down there? Thank you, Jesus. Open my eyes. Okay. Since price has tapped this on the 1 hour, you know the zone I marked out on the 4 hours, guys. Are you with me? I marked out this zone here, this particular zone, this, all these places. When price have finally broke below, if we tested it here, that's why I marked it out. So on the 1 hour, uh I think it's safe to remove the trend line now. It's safe. This thing didn't do 50%. But I'm sure here it did 70.5. So 61.8. Okay. Okay. First touch of trend line. See, you will be like I'm old school. It's the same old school I'm using to buy the things I'm buying, So no vex. Allow me to be old school. Many people tell me that why do I see this trend line? I'm like, is that a question? Trend line. Why am I still using trend line? Really? Like really? Someone have asked me that question before. He said, Coach, why do you still use trend line? I'm like, oh, what should I use? Line trade. I use trend line, no vex. And I've cashed out with that thing. So allow me to use it. Keep it simple. Yeah, keep it simple. Keep it simple. I want to just do the analysis. My entry strategy, that one is only for my students to know. But the analysis, what it's going to do, where it's going to do it, I will share with you guys. So relax. Okay. So since we have had 3 touches, that confirms that we are going down. To be really honest with you, because first touch, second touch, third touch, fake out, broke inside. Yeah, going down. Someone just look for entries. I want to look for entry points. And then wherever I enter, okay. Okay. We have 61.8. We have the test of that same trend line. We have psychological level 1930. So let's connect all three. I think we still have structural levels around this zone. Yeah, we do. All these things, they are structural points. 1930. Yeah. Please, I'm teaching. Let me call you back. All right. Sorry about that. So, since we have this, I wish for a confirmation inside here and inside this box that we are in right now. This box here. I wish for a confirmation for a sell. I'll wait, emphasis on what? I will wait for a confirmation. And then I'm riding price into this low. That's my TP1. Then I'm riding price into this other low as my TP2. You can't use 93 pips, of course. But we definitely can use 30 pips. Price has not started moving, so don't start running inside the trade. Relax. Don't start running inside the trade. I said what? Relax. Okay? Relax. Now, what confirmation did I say I'm looking out for? You see that price came into our box, first of all. Price came into our box, first of all. But, excuse me. But then, I remember saying that I will not just rush into the trade when it gets, excuse me, when it gets there. I wait for a confirmation. Please increase that fan. That thing is smelling too much. All right, thank you. So, what confirmations do I look out for before I go into a trade? I look out for either I look out for weak rejections or I look out for bearish, like for a sell. Even if for a buy, I'll look out for weak rejection. I'll look out for doji candles. That's called indecision. Indecision. Market makers have not made a decision. So let me help them and make a decision. Or if I see bearish engulfing for a sell, bullish engulfing for a buy, okay, I'm happy. But without those things, even if price is in my zone, I will not enter. Do you understand what I'm saying? That's what distinguishes me from you. Simple. I think I'm comfortable with 35 pips instead. Yeah. I think 35 pips I'm more comfortable with instead of 30. Because it's gold. I don't really trade gold, so I don't really understand this movement yet. Alright? So let me copy this and send to you guys. Wait for a confirmation inside the box, then go in. Confirmation inside the box, and then go in. Wait for a confirmation inside the box, then go in. Wait for a confirmation inside the box, then go in. I've sent it to you guys, so everybody can check it now. Okay? Wait for a confirmation inside the box, then you go in. Now, those of you that want to know about XAUSD, I hope that's okay. David, they bust my brain, laugh my ass out. Like, really, really. What do you mean? Explain. Explain why I'm busting your brain, Mr. Emmanuel.com. Why am I busting your brain? I didn't bust no brains, bro. I didn't bust no brains. But tell me, why am I busting your brain? But I hope this makes sense to you now. Like, life is not hard. It's not supposed to be hard. I don't do XAUUSD. Right? So some of you might be like, what if he hits stop loss? Then wait for the next that green box above. Wait for it. If he hits stop loss, yeah. That is after you waited for a confirmation. No, don't tell me you entered without confirmation. I beg you, I'm not in that conversation with you. I don't enter any trade without confirmation right now. I'm patient. It's better I hold my money in my hand, in my broker, than to dash it to market makers. Honestly speaking, because the money I've lost, I want to build house. I don't build big house by now. So please, 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 please. I'm more relaxed. I'm not rushing. Why are you running? Morife, don't run, don't run. So that's it. Let's do no, I think that's, so I'm not doing EJ. I'm not doing EJ. I'm not doing EJ. I'm not doing EJ. I don't feel like trading EJ. I've done XAUSD instead. So this is what I'm expecting. If you misses that place, then I'll wait for the higher, that other green box above. Wait for that place. I'll enter again. Keep my SL above it. I can't be wrong on the two. It's a lie. I can't be wrong on the two. No, sir. It's a lie. So I hope that makes sense for everybody now. It's been really a nice time with you guys. Trust me. My Abuja people, see you soon, bro. See you soon. Idon is coming. Idon is coming to your city. Idon is coming to your city. Idon is coming to break down things. And yeah, we'll do a lot of giveaways. Of course. A lot of them. We'll do a lot of them. A lot of giveaways. Idon is coming. Idon is coming. Idon go go. I'm coming, bro. All right, that's all for me today. Remember to take it a step after another. Okay? Gaki Jane Mariti. She's my VIP student. She's in another country. Right now, this is 9 a.m. our time. So they're in 1 a.m. So imagine waking up, staying up to 1 a.m. because you want to attend my class. So thank you very much for for thank you very much for your, what do you call it? Yeah, for your time. Thanks for the giveaway last week. Which giveaway? Oh, that's true. Jeez, that's true. Congratulations to you on winning my giveaway. I just remembered. I did it for like 8 people, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 8 people. But I'm coming to Abuja. I'll do more giveaways. Don't worry. Shaya. There is money, so don't be afraid. Yeah, Idon is coming. Idon is coming with his full bag of cash, stack of cash. So tell all your Abuja people that they should not miss it too. Their Lord and Savior is coming. Announce on the street of Abuja. Oh my God. Shaya. Idon is coming. All right, love you guys so much with a deep passion. So see you at the top, not from the top, because you know what he said, the bottom is way too crowded. Okay. God bless you all. Bye bye. Please, how do I join the Lagos Money Week? Nice question though. So on Lagos Money Week official page today, this morning, I don't know what time they would make the post, but this morning they will make a post on how to join the volunteers. There's a volunteer community already. Registration is ongoing. In fact, let me paste the link here. Let me look for the link. There's volunteers community. There's okay. Let me paste the link now. bit.ly/volunteer LMW. bit.ly/volunteer LMW. Yeah. So there's a link to join the volunteer community for Lagos Money Week. Go ahead and be part of us. Be part of the vision. Thank you, Franz Ziberna from Italy. Franz, we need to talk, okay? I want to really help you out in your trading. So send me a message on Instagram, Franz. We need to talk. I want to bring you to my VIP community. We need to talk. Yeah? Yeah. Because you have been joining my live session since last year. I can remember very well. So like I need to reward you for that. I'll give you a very, very good discount so that you can be part of us. Then I'll complete the rest payments for you. Yeah. You've tried. Since last year, you always join my live call. I give you that one. I always see your name. No fear. I dey see your name. Even when we were just 3 of us, 4 of us, 5 of us. I remember you were always joining. So I need to reward you for that. Send me a message. ASAP on Instagram. Yeah. And let's do something. Please make the giveaway virtual. You mean virtual? So I'm going to do another one later. Remember, I'm not plugging money from tree. So I'll do another one later. But let me do for my Abuja people first. Let me go there and deliver. So that they will know that Idon is coming to deliver. So Franz, send me a message. Now. Let's do that. All right. So you guys take care of yourselves. I love you so much. This is the link right now showing on your screen. So just copy it and paste on your website. Volunteer to be a part of Lagos Money Week. Join the WhatsApp community. I am there. So if you are looking for a way to get my WhatsApp number, now you have a way to get my WhatsApp number. All right. Love you all so much. Bye.